Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build the Retrieval-Augmented Generation chatbot in using n8n and Mendix. So first of all, let me explain you what is RAG if you don't know. So RAG is basically Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which will basically retrieve the information from the database, or you can say create a knowledge base for the chatbot, for the AI LLM, and then on the basis of that database it will give us our output. As you can see, a user asks a chatbot a question, or you can say a user give an input to a chatbot. It will search in the database, and then it will go for the LLMs, and then it will at the doing all the stuff, it will gonna give you a response on the basis of the database and online sources using LLM. So this is basically the RAG. Okay, so let me go to the n8n. So this is basically the workflow. As you can see, we are using Pinecone vector database as our database for the RAG. This part is basically a RAG pipeline. We can add a node here. Okay, let's say this is a RAG pipeline. I've already built it, so yeah. Okay, let's make it like this. So this part is a pipeline. Let's ignore this. Just look at this. So first of all, we have to build a pipeline from our Google Drive. I have let me show you the Google Drive. So yeah, this is my Google Drive, and I have created a folder called FAQ. Inside this folder I have pasted a PDF for this is an example. We have using a tech heaven company, and we have some store policies and some frequently asked questions. I've generated this from a chat GPT. This is a normal thing. So this is basically for the knowledge base for our LLM. We can update it at any time. If we update this, our LLM power knowledge base will also get updated on the basis of that. So as you can see, I have used a trigger of Google Drive. So this is the Google Drive. I have connected my Google Drive account where I have uploaded this folder. Then we have it will get triggered on changes in this folder. If we add another file, remove this file, it will get triggered, and we have to select the folder. So I have selected the FAQ folder, and it will watch for file created. After this task, as you can see, let's fetch event. So it will basically give us a output, and as you can see, we got what we fetched. We have fetched this PDF. So yeah, this is what we want. Tech heaven policy. This PDF is fetched from this node. Then after that we can download the file. As you can see, by ID, we are downloading file by ID. This is dynamic. So executing this step to basically give us the file. Then after that, we are going for database. So here we basically connect with our Pinecone database and insert document, connected with an index, and connected with a FAQ namespace. Okay, after that, it will give us the data. So basically, data will get stored with. I'm using a Google Gemini embedding model for, and to load the binary data, we are using the file default data loader. So this pipeline, what this pipeline basically do, this will save get the data from Google Drive and update the database. Okay, now the parts come for the AI agent. First we'll add a trigger for the webhook. After adding, we'll get a production URL. Okay, we'll create it in post method and connect with the responding webhook, which is this responding webhook. So basically, we'll connect with an AI agent using the Gemini model and Pinecone database of using a namespace of FAQ, and embedding model is Google Gemini. So what this flow will do basically, when we hit an API with a message, it will receive that message, and with the help of Google Gemini and Pinecone database and embedding model of the Gemini, it will generate an answer from the connected with this database. It will generate an answer and respond to the webhook. So let me show you in the Mendix practically how it looks. So here I will say hi. So when I will click on this button, it will hit this. It will basically hit this webhook with a message. Okay. Let me show where it is. Yeah. When I click on this, hi. Yeah. Hello, I'm here to assist you with your any question about policies and FAQ. How can I help you today? So how it works? It basically hit the API and it will send that hi message here in the prompt. It will work with this, this, and this, and respond. So I have not yet asked any question related to the company. I want to let's ask for I have ordered yesterday and I want to return. What is the return policy? Let's ask this question. Let's see how it respond. Yeah, you may have return items within 15 days of purchase. Yeah, it will giving the response from the knowledge base, or you can say vector database. So this is how it is working. If you want to see the Mendix implementation, I can show you. Like I have created a session message. Every session have multiple messages, and this is the chat input where I have input the text, and it is basically for the API call. And this is our page. This look like, and this is our microphone. First of all, when I when I will enter a message and click on send, it will create an object of that. Then we'll call an API. This API is basically the production URL of this webhook, and after hitting this API we'll receive a response. So we're using the response and creating another message object, and we'll just refresh in client. So it will basically give us answer like this.